One of the exciting things about college, wherever you go, is that it is a time of exploration and discovery and growth. You are encountering things that you have never encountered before. And so you need to learn how to incorporate those. John Carroll, as a Jesuit Catholic institution, is really committed to helping our students channel their curiosity in an open-hearted way.
The reason why one comes to John Carroll University, the reason why one comes to a Jesuit institution, is also to learn the art of contribution, to recognize that ways that I can participate, ways that I can serve, ways that I can be useful to something greater than myself is at least as much a part of my education as whatever courses I might take, whatever clubs I might join.
The Princeton Review highlights strengths of universities across the country, and we're proud that they recently named us 7th in the nation in terms of students who are engaged in community service. We prepare our students to lead, to serve, and after graduation, so many of our students moved into leadership positions, and I think that traces back to this idea of preparing our students to really engage with the world, to not run from difference, but to learn to understand it, to reckon with it, and to grow because of it. We put a particular spotlight on what we call the first 40 days by being really intentional about the ways we try to introduce our first-year students to the community of John Carroll.
We had all of our incoming students watch the film American Creed. They then left watching this PBS documentary, and they went into small groups and they started practicing dialogue and talking about the video with one another. We then invited Eric to come and to do a workshop with our faculty, helping us to train ourselves and to think about our craft that we work so hard on. And then we also invited Mr. Liu to also talk to our students and to remind them of the very special place that they are at in their life.
We have been what our national motto says, e pluribus unum, out of many, one. And the question that we have and the practice that you're going to get as citizens of JCU is building the muscle of living together. I don't mean just tolerating each other. I mean being curious about each other. I'm curious about this person. And that curiosity about the mind of others is a prerequisite for learning how to live together in a pluralistic society.
I remember just talking about a topic in class and thinking that we had to approach it a certain way because our teacher said we're not disagreeing, we're coming to like a compromise or understanding of each other. So you have to approach it in that way. So when we were talking about the topic in class, it was more of, I understand you and I hear that, but this is my perspective, not that I disagree or that's wrong.
Dialogue is about sitting and listening and understanding that there are many valid human claims. It might change my views, it might not, but we're all gonna grow and learn together and be and feel more in community with each other if we have more of these opportunities for dialogue and understanding across our campus community.